Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy an Amazon Kindle subscription. If you're an avid reader looking to access thousands of books, magazines, and audiobooks, this subscription service is a fantastic option that gives you unlimited reading for a monthly fee. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want the subscription to be active, as this is where all your billing and reading history will be stored. After you're logged in, look at the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. In that search bar, type Kindle Unlimited and press Enter. This will bring up results related to the Kindle Unlimited service, showing you books available under the subscription and the service itself. From the search results, click on Kindle Unlimited at the top. This option usually appears as a featured result or under a specific category for the service. Clicking it will take you directly to the Kindle Unlimited landing page, where you can learn more about what's included and see the membership options available. On the Kindle Unlimited page, you'll see a button that says Join Kindle Unlimited. Go ahead and click on it. This action initiates the subscription process and moves you forward to the payment and membership setup screen. Next, you'll be prompted to add a payment method if you don't already have one saved on your account. Click on Add a credit or debit card. This opens a form where you'll enter your payment details to complete the subscription purchase. Now fill in the required information carefully. Enter the name on the card, followed by the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you've entered all the details, click Add your card. This saves your payment method to your Amazon account and prepares it for the subscription charge. After adding your card, Amazon will ask you to confirm your billing details. Review everything on the screen to ensure your card information and billing address are correct. This step is important because any errors could delay your subscription activation or cause payment issues later. Finally, select your membership plan or simply click Start Membership. This confirms your subscription and activates Kindle Unlimited on your account. You'll now have immediate access to the entire library of books, magazines, and audiobooks included in the service. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to Amazon Kindle Unlimited and can start enjoying unlimited reading right away. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.